All right, first thing, let's get the latch into the door. Uh, Slide in the latch into the door and check that it match the door depth. Just few things. Usually the doors are 60 or 70 millimeters. Mine specifically 70 millimeters, and I had to align the latch with my door depth. Once the latch aligns with the center of the door hole, just place the screws and screw them down. Make sure it sits straight and doesn't move. And that's it with the latch. Now let's focus on the front keypad of the door lock. First of all, we have to make sure that we feed the cable through the main hole of the latch, and also make sure you don't force it because you can break it. Then make sure the keypad fits right over the latch opening, and then press it against the door so it fits smoothly to the door. And that's all for the front side of the lock. Let's now focus on the back side of the door lock. This is the trickiest part to install the lock. Basically, it have to guide the cable to go through the little tunnel of the handle, and the tunnel is a little bit tight, so take your time to make sure that the cable go through the tunnel. You have to wiggle it a little bit to make it work, but in the end, after the cable it's shown and goes through the hole, pretty much you can focus on installing the handle to the door. Just take a little bit time and it will work out. Out of the hole, you have to align the handles with the front keypad, and then you have to connect the cable to the plug. After you hear the click, basically you can move forward with the next piece of the installation, which is to screw the bolts to the handle and to make sure they align properly. You have to tight the screws. You have to use like a long screwdriver to be able to do that. After you have the screws installed and tied properly, turn the door lock left and right to make sure it works, and now you can move to the second step is to install the batteries. Particularly for this model, uh, the door lock doesn't come with the batteries, and you have to make sure you have four AAA batteries, which needs to be put on the top of the handle and on the bottom of the handle as well. After you have the batteries on, you need to put the handle cover. After installing the batteries, you need to put the handle cap. Basically, you need to wiggle it left and right to make sure that it fits the handle, and then you have to screw it with one small bolt, and with that the installation is completed. This is a quick sanity check to make sure the door lock works. Basically, I'm going to use a key, and I'm going to turn it left and right to make sure that the latch works. And with that, the installation is fully completed, and now we can focus on programming the lock.